Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can turn off your voice on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right you're gonna find your game library. If you click on it right here, you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find games, media, here you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly, right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to turn off your voice on the PlayStation 5, you can just click on the mute button on your controller. And as you can see guys, here, as you can see guys, in your screen, you're gonna find the mute icon. This icon will give you the status of your mic if it's muted or unmuted. So right now I am muted. You can also go to your settings here in the top, and then once you're here, go to sound, and then here you're gonna find microphone. Once you're here, you're gonna find input device. Make sure you choose your input device. You're gonna find adjust microphone level. You can adjust your microphone level from here. Also here you're gonna find microphone status when logged in. If you want to make it muted, make sure you click on mute. And also here you're gonna find microphone status when starting voice chat or broadcast. You can either set to don't change or you can switch it to mute. This setting might not work for some devices that have mute functions. So go ahead and click on switch to mute. And right now, whenever you turn on your PlayStation or you are in a voice chat, you're gonna be muted until you unmute your mic. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.